Hello, hello friends, won't you join me tonight? What's for dinner? Brown sugar mustard chicken. You will not believe how quick we can throw this together, 10 minutes, and how quickly this bakes in the oven, and you will have sweet, tangy, baked to perfection chicken. This is an easy chicken dinner. It's made with simple pantry ingredients, and it comes together so fast. So won't you grab your chair, grab your spoon, and come join me? Let's make this together. Brown sugar mustard chicken. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome into the kitchen. I am so glad you're here. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator, and we're always about getting dinner on the table very simply, delicious, and timely. And so I've got one for you this week. It is brown sugar mustard chicken breasts. This is another one for summertime. Maybe you're out in the pool. You come in, you can whip this up, throw it in the oven, even with some fries. And when you come back in 40 minutes, dinner's ready. So let's get this started. I have before I tell you all of that, go to the description because everything I am going to talk about is there. I've listed it all out for you, the recipe, the ingredients, everything is there for you. So you don't need to worry about pen and paper. Just go grab the description. So, and that's funny because I did see a meme. A meme? No, I didn't. I saw a TikTok this week where a guy was standing in the grocery store and he's got his phone like this and he's saying that time you forgot to write everything down and so you're having to rewatch the TikTok to get the ingredients for the recipe. Not in this kitchen. You can go to the description. It'd be more fun for me if you watched it again, but no. Let's save some time. It's all there in the description. All right, listen. I have 4 chicken breasts in a greased pan, ready to go. I have 1/4 cup brown sugar, and to that I am going to add 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. Let's get that in there. Get my spoon here because there's just that amount left in this jar, so I want to make sure I use all of it. There we go. How is everybody doing? I'm so excited to show you Zen moments because old Franklin, he's learning how to fly. I saw him fly this week. I saw he's just getting more and more brave. Mom and Dad are starting to become more and more like, meh, you're fine. You don't need to go. We don't need to worry about you. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, next to that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Let me shake this up real quick. Boy, it is hot, steamy. Florida's crazy. I've got the air conditioning folks coming tomorrow just to give it the old what for. I hate to get in the middle of summer and then have your air conditioning go out. That has happened to me more than once, so I definitely take time to tell them, hey, come on out, give it a whirl, so that way I'm not worried about anything like that. All right, here we go. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So easy peasy. So tell me in the comments what you got going on. What are your favorite tips and tricks for homeowners this time of year? What's the best thing to be checking for, making sure you get it all before summer hits and all the heat comes? Okay, 1 whole teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Now my oven is back there preheating at 375. These are going to go in for at least 35 minutes. Remember that you want the internal temperature, I think, of poultry to be 165. So, just dilly-dally out your thermometer if you're not sure, just to make sure. All right, now all we have to do is stir this together. That brown sugar, when it gets on top of here and bakes on these chicken breasts, it makes the prettiest glaze. And it's so good. And like I said, it's almost almost barbecue-y, like a what do you call it? I want to say Mississippi, and I know that's going to be wrong. The one that uses all the mustard. Makes that kind of pretty glaze. That's why I said baked beans, French fries, coleslaw. Coleslaw would be super easy. Coleslaw would be super easy to have with this. All right, now all we're gonna do is just put this on each chicken breast. Easy peasy. Of course, I never do it with the right hand, so you can never see. Sorry. I should set the camera up on the other side. And then you would get it all. Okay, these are going in the oven. Again, start checking at 35. It might take as long as 45, just depending on how thick your chicken is. Just giving it a good glaze here. All right, that's it. I'll be back in 35-ish. I'll tell you how long these took to cook, and we'll get started. We'll eat. All right, time is up. It has actually been 50 minutes, and our chicken is ready to come out of the oven. So here we go. So excited to show you. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could smell, again, another version of Smell-O-Vision incoming. Can you see the glaze that's on these? This is absolutely stunning, smells delicious. You can smell that mustard and the brown sugar mixture together. I've looked it up, I believe it's the Carolinas where that kind of barbecue flavoring is from, so ta-da! We are gonna serve this with rice and baked beans tonight. So happy you could be with us. This took us 10 minutes to throw together and 50 minutes in the oven, but could take as little as 35. Just depends on the size of what you got going on here. Thank you so much for being with me today. If you could give us a thumbs up, that would be awesome. If you haven't subscribed, would you please consider subscribing? I am trying to get to that 500 mark before my birthday, which is coming up in a couple of weeks. So if you haven't, please consider. Otherwise, so happy you could be with us. So happy you're here at the table. And stay tuned for that Zen moment. I'll show you Franklin and friends. Anyway, have a good one. See you later. Bye.